everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, the notice period in the UAE. Whether you are an employee or an employer, understanding the rules around notice period is crucial for a smooth transition during resignation and termination. Well, we'll cover the key regulations as per the UAE labor law, including standard notice period, special cases during probation, right and obligations of employer and employees. So let's dive in and make sure you are well informed about your rights and responsibility in this area. If anyone has any comments or any questions, you guys can mention in the comments. I will contact directly. So let's discuss probation period. During probation period, there are two types of notice period, like termination in case of like employer terminating you, and there are resignation. In case of termination, during probation period, employer supposed to give you 14 days notice. It's like mandatory. If employee has resigned, in that case there are two parts. You can employee if employee is leaving the country, then they're supposed to provide 14 days notice. If employee is working with a new employer, then employee will provide 30 days of notice period. The standard notice period. The standard notice period like minimum and maximum. Minimum notice period is 30 days and maximum notice period is 90 days. 30 days in case of less than 5 years of service, you have to provide 30 days of notice period. Both the party, like employees, if employee is terminating you, or if employer terminating you, or if employees like resigning. So 60 days notice period, more than 5 years of service, then you have to provide 60 days notice period. And maximum notice period will be 90 days in UAE, not more than that. So 10 year or more than 10 year, they have to provide 90 days of notice. So without notice, there are two cases. Employees can leave the company without notice. Employer also terminating the employee without notice. If employee is leaving the company without notice, in that case, employee is supposed to notify the MORE, Ministry of Labor Department. They're supposed to call them, inform them, and mention the reason. In employer case also, employer can notify MORE before 7 days, and they can take the approval. They can terminate the employee without notice. So hopefully everyone now has a basic understanding of the notice period in the UAE. It's important to know your rights and obligations, whether you are an employee or an employer, to ensure compliances with the laws and maintain professionalism. If you have any doubt or need further clarification, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to help. Let's keep the conversation going and support each other in understanding these essential regulations.